Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I am going to do a super quick unboxing of my order for this month. So the products that I love and some of the new ones that I'm trying out this month. So I'll keep you guys posted as to how those kind of go over the month as I use them. So a couple of the staples that I get usually every month or every couple months are the On Guard, the cleaner concentrate. And if you haven't used these, so I got 2 of these bottles. If you haven't used them, they're amazing for your floor cleaners. They're amazing to just put into a spray bottle. So I actually just refilled one of my spray bottles where I put in about 2 tablespoons of the On Guard cleaner concentrate, and then I fill up like the remaining 16 to 32 ounces of just water, and that's kind of ready to clean my countertops, windows, anything. It's perfect for that. So this is like great where if you don't want to do any DIYs or anything, just add this in, and these last a while. So depending on how often you're going to be cleaning and stuff, they will last a little while. So that's why usually I get 2 of them. So on the side, it also does have the other option. So like multi-purpose cleaner, which is what I typically use them for. You can do them with your dishes, with bathrooms, with different tough jobs. So this is where it is amazing, where you can either use it diluted, where it'll give you like all the instructions on the side as to how many tablespoons or teaspoons or drops you need to put in of the concentrate, and then how much water you need to put that in, which is amazing. And each bottle of the On Guard cleaner concentrate has a 5 ml full bottle of the doTERRA essential oil in it. So it's powerful stuff. So these are the 2 that I get usually every 2 months or so. One of the new products that I'm trying is this Breathe Vapor Stick. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is basically if you guys have used like a Vicks Vapor Rub or something, this is like the natural alternative to that. So I usually use a roll-on for my kids for the Breathe, especially when they're coming down with something or the seasons are changing. It's just nice to kind of open up the airways. So I figured I'd give this a try. It comes as like a roll-on stick, so I can just kind of open it up, rub it across their chest, and they're set to go. So that's a nice additional. I'll keep you guys posted as to how that goes and how I'm liking that. Then a couple of let's go to the oils that I got. So the product of the month was Terrashield this month. So this is one of my absolute favorites, where I paired it with the Pilot Diffuser. So apologies for the background noise. There seems to be construction going on. So with the product of the month, the Terrashield, I pair it with the Pilot Diffuser. So if you don't have the Pilot Diffuser, it's an amazing little pocket diffuser. Like if you look at the palm of my hand, it's like super tiny, super compact, micro USB charging. You basically turn it on, it'll give you a light indication that it's working, or you can also run it without the light, and it is amazing. And this is one where, especially when you're going out in the summertime, if you're going camping anywhere, this is a great one to be taking, because we've used this in the tent where I will just put in a couple drops of the Terrashield, fill it up with the water up until the max line, and just kind of diffuse that near the entryway of the tent to make sure that there aren't mosquitoes coming in at night. And this is like dusk and dawn, perfect to be diffusing. And then also just with other oils. So this is a great one to kind of be taking with you to the office or for your desk. So this is an amazing one. If you don't have it yet, the Pilot Diffuser is there. It also does come with a 1-year warranty. So that's amazing, especially with diffusers. It's a great way to also have like a natural aroma in the vehicle, where you can basically put this in instead of an air freshener. So this is a great one where I usually get a new diffuser every so often. So this is one where I have actually a couple of them, because I have them all over the house. They're easy, they're portable, you don't have to keep them plugged in, so they're also really nice and safe for the kids. So this is one where my son had toppled it over. It has an automatic shut off. If the water spills out or anything, it's perfect. It's really nice and safe for kids as well to be around, because it doesn't have any of those extra wires. So back to the Terrashield oil. This is one of my all-time favorites, especially with the seasons changing, especially in India with these crazy mosquitoes. This is a great one where you can either create it into a roll-on, diffuse it, It does already have fractionated coconut oil, so you are able to also apply it either directly to your clothing or to your skin a little bit. Check for sensitivities always. And they do have a spray, so I love the spray as well, where especially with the kids going out just a little bit before sunset where the mosquitoes are rampant, that's a great time to be spraying that around and just making sure you're protected, and it's all natural. So that's like a great way. The next one is my go-to is my root to tip serum. This is one that I absolutely love. So with like the hair oils and the hair mask, I'll usually do like a DIY for that. But after the shower, this is like the root to tip serum where I go through this a lot because my kids also love the smell of it. So they're always like, I want serum, I want serum. So this is great where it has the CPTG essential oil blend in it. So you can automatically, I think it has like the peppermint, it has some rosemary in it. It has, I will actually read it, it has the argan oil. Let's see what else it has. It has some tea tree, the rosemary, eucalyptus, sunflower seed oil. And it is a beautiful blend for stimulating the scalp, just kind of giving that beautiful aroma. And usually I would say a bottle of this, which is 30 ml, will last me, I think my last one lasted about 2 to 3 months. So it lasts a while, depending, because you only need a little bit. So I just usually take 1 to 2 pumps tops, and it's good to go. So I usually get that again, 1 or 2 bottles, and then keep that stocked with me. The next one that I use is the phytoestrogen. So this is one that I've been using for the past couple months, where if you don't know how the phytoestrogen complex works, it's basically where it helps the good estrogen actually get processed into your body. So the xenoestrogens, so those bad estrogens that usually overtake your good estrogen, this is where it helps kind of block that and combat that. So that's where you are seeing xenoestrogens in your food, any packaged foods, plastics, makeup that may not be clean. That's where you're constantly being exposed to xenoestrogens, where taking a phytoestrogen supplement helps support your body and your hormones that way. So this is for, like, it's a doTERRA women, but it is available for both men and women. It's a great one if you are having hormonal balances and you're looking to support your hormones in a great way. I definitely recommend the phytoestrogen complex. And it does come with 60 capsules. The recommended dosage, I think, is the 2 capsules daily. However, I usually just do half a dose because I also do like clean eating and making sure that the food that I'm eating also helps balance my hormones. So this usually lasts about 2 months for me. Then one of the new products that I tried, and I already opened this up, is the Yaropalm Cellular Beauty Complex, the dietary supplement. So these are amazing. Where in my face oil that I do myself, I put in Yaropalm, which is an amazing oil. However, these capsules also have, I think in France they developed, it's like the extract of the melon, which is there to kind of help with that youthfulness. And these, I'm so excited. So I haven't been taking them regularly. I took one like maybe 2 days ago, but it has 60 capsules. Again, I think it's 2 capsules daily. I'm probably just going to take 1 a day before I go to bed, and I will see how it goes. But you're able to see that it's encapsulated, and the ingredients in it are, it has your vitamin C, it has zinc, the Cellular Beauty Complex blend is pomegranate seed oil, grapeseed extract, yarrow leaf, seed stem oil, frankincense resin, celery seed oil, pomarosa, turmeric, the melon that I was mentioning, the melon fruit concentrate, and melissa. So these are so beautiful. So I'm excited to let you know how they go. And I'm sure you guys will be able to see this is supposed to be to help your skin, your overall vitality from the inside out, and it's going to be amazing. Can't wait. So this is one of the new products that I got, the Yaropalm Cellular Beauty Complex. And this is a bit of a splurge, but honestly, if you're looking to pamper yourself, this is one to go with. And this is one where I am kind of combining it with the Immortelle blend. which is the anti-aging blend. So this is one where I typically usually put it on before I go to bed. So during the daytime after my shower, I will do the blend that I create. So every month it's like a different glow blend depending on what my skin needs and what the seasons are like. Where this one I'll usually put on before I go to bed, and I'll usually just do like either under the eyes, around the eyes. However, one of my favorite oils that I have been using nonstop that I've been falling in love with is the Magnolia Touch. This is one where I love the Immortelle. I love what it does for my skin. However, I love the aroma of this. So Magnolia Touch, I will basically just roll it on everywhere and everywhere that I can smell the aroma. So I will usually do like my forehead, I will do under my eyes, I will do just on the tip of my nose, chin area, behind my ears, inside my wrists. It's like, this is like my favorite intoxicating blend. Sorry, not a blend, it's just the Magnolia essential oil. And this is my favorite. So this is like my second bottle that I've gotten for it because I absolutely love the aroma of it. If you haven't smelt it, I definitely recommend getting this, or this is a great one to gift as well as like a natural perfume. And that's basically what I'll do as like my regular routine. Then the other one that I got is the On Guard Throat Drops. So last month, if you guys had known, they had the promo where you got like the Breathe Respiratory Drops, the Breathe Touch, the Breathe Essential Oil, and the Peppermint Essential Oil. Where this month I had those Breathe Respiratory Drops already, so I figured the On Guard ones are really nice, where it has like the On Guard Essential Oil. They're safe. I'll usually also, my kids, or my son who's 6, I'll usually give him like a lozenge to suck on. Sometimes he finds it a bit spicy. So I'll be like, suck on it for like a couple minutes and then I'll take it over. But otherwise, the ingredients are really clean, where it has organic cane sugar, organic brown rice syrup, where when you are using brown rice syrup, you want to make sure that it is organic. Just because of the adulteration that happens with a lot of the brown rice syrups or with any of the rice syrups. Then it has the On Guard Essential Oil Blend, the wild orange oil, clove bud, cinnamon leaf, cinnamon bark, eucalyptus, rosemary, cassia, and myrrh. And these are great. So these are also nice where if you are sharing the business side of it, they come as like individually wrapped. So it's nice to just kind of gift someone 1 or 2 of them so that way they get a sample of it. So that way they're able to taste how amazing they are and how it can support their immunity and their system. And this is a great one where if you're going out and you're wearing a mask, it's nice to have like fresh breath under the mask because you're constantly breathing in your air. Where one of these lozenges, either the On Guard ones, the respiratory ones, which are the Breathe, or the ginger ones, are really nice to have. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and comment below if you'd like to see maybe what my next month's order is, where I will try it, depending on when I get it in, I'll try to put it in before the product of the month comes out. But this just kind of gives you an idea as to the products that I'm using, the ones that I get on a regular basis, and then just kind of what I keep in stock with me here. So hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.